With Apple just releasing the 2026 MacBook Neo, we're fast seeing that this is one of Apple's most repairable laptops ever. So we're going to do a time test and see exactly how long it takes just to change the battery. Let's go. And with that, the battery's out. Now the reverse. And that is under 5 minutes. We think that that is absolutely fantastic. Being able to change a battery in a laptop in 5 minutes, absolutely incredible. We think that Apple has taken amazing steps in the right direction towards repair, and they're really supporting the repair movement here. Very, very happy to see great work from Apple and amazing little device here.